Welcome to the Moon with AI. Today, we're excited to show you how to use our AI Tools Guide GPTs. It's designed to help you discover, compare, and select the best AI tools available. Whether you're looking for solutions in data analysis, automation, customer service, or any other domain, our GPTs are here to guide you. To get started with our AI Tools Guide GPTs, head over to the ChatGPT site or application and navigate to the Explore GPTs section. This is where you can find a variety of GPTs designed for different purposes. In the search bar, type ToTheMoonWithAI AI Tools Guide. Select our AI Tools Guide GPTs from the search results. This will take you to the interface where you can start exploring our comprehensive AI Tools Guide. Getting started is simple. You can begin by clicking on one of the suggested questions. Have a specific question in mind? Just type it in the input box. Our GPTs will provide detailed, accurate responses tailored to your query, helping you find the right AI tool for your needs. Our GPTs support multiple languages. You can ask questions in your preferred language and receive answers in the same language, making our services accessible to users worldwide. Our AI Tools Guide GPTs can also help you compare different tools. Simply ask for a comparison, and you'll receive an in-depth analysis of the features, benefits, and pricing of each tool, helping you make an informed decision. Explore a wide range of AI tools for different applications, from data analysis and automation to customer service and beyond. Our GPTs provide detailed descriptions and advice on how to use these tools effectively. Start using our AI Tools Guide GPTs today and discover how the right AI tools can transform your business. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.